Tired of losing potential customers in the black hole of unanswered website inquiries? Let's turn your Wix website into a lead-generating machine by setting up automated contact form notifications, making sure you never miss another opportunity. First, navigate to the Wix editor and select the page where you want your contact form. Click the Add button on the left-hand side, then choose Forms. Browse through the various form templates or create your own from scratch to perfectly match your brand. Once you've added a form, click on it to access the settings here. You can customize the fields, design, and submission message. Ensure you include essential fields like name, email, and a message box. Now for the magic. In the form settings, find the email notifications section. Make sure the toggle is switched on to enable email notifications for each new submission. Enter the email address where you want to receive these notifications. You can also customize the subject line to easily identify new form submissions in your inbox. To view all your collected contacts, go to your Wix dashboard and click on Contacts here. You'll find a list of everyone who has submitted a form on your website. For more advanced contact management, explore Wix's integrations with popular CRM tools like HubSpot or MailChimp. This lets you automatically add new contacts to your marketing workflows and nurture leads more effectively. And that's it. With automated contact form notifications, you'll capture leads, respond promptly, and boost your customer engagement, all within your Wix website.